Which nut tools for climbing are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig deeper to get the answer. Today, we'll clear up the confusion and find the best options for you. Product number 1, Klein Tools Bolt Bag. First up is the Klein Tools 5416 TFR Tool Bag. This flame-resistant canvas bag is priced at $26.98, which is pretty reasonable for a solid tool storage solution. If you want a durable bag that can handle rough environments, this one's worth a serious look. It also features a double-bottom design for added durability, so you won't have to worry about it tearing under pressure. It fits belts up to 3 inches wide, making it versatile for different carrying styles. Plus, with a 4.8-star rating from over 8,200 reviews, it's clear that many folks trust it. But here's the thing. Some users mention that while it's sturdy, it can be a bit bulky for smaller tasks or tight spaces. Now, this might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something more compact. However, if you're serious about climbing and need a reliable storage solution, the pros definitely outweigh this con. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable bag for your climbing gear. Skip this one if you're after something lightweight for quick trips. For the money, it's a solid investment for keeping your tools organized. Product number 2, QWORK Nut Splitter Set. Next, we have the QWORK 3-set nut screw splitter set, priced at $19.97. This caught my eye because of its strong steel construction and versatility. If you're dealing with rusted or stuck nuts, you'll want to pay attention to this one. What's great about this set is that it includes 3 sizes to fit nut diameters from 9 to 22. That means whether you're working on cars or machinery, you'll have the right tool for the job. The steel body is forged to provide high hardness, which means it can take a beating without losing its edge. It's straightforward to use too, designed for manual wrenches, so you don't need any special power tools. With a 3.8-star rating from nearly 700 reviews, it's a decent option. On the downside, some users found that the manual operation can be a bit labor-intensive, especially for really stubborn nuts. But here's the thing. If you're willing to put in some elbow grease, it's a reliable tool that gets the job done well. This is great for you if you frequently work with rusted nuts. Skip this if you prefer powered tools for heavy-duty tasks. At under $20, it offers great value for occasional use. Product number 3, KW Mobile Cage Nut Tool. Moving on to the KW Mobile Cage Nut Tool, available for $13.79. I found this tool to be a clever solution for inserting and removing cage nuts. If you're setting up network cabinets, this one's a must-have. The adjustable design accommodates M4, M5, and M6 cage nuts, which means it can adapt to various setups. The tool allows for quick and safe nut insertion, reducing the risk of injury, which is huge if you're working in tight spaces. Plus, it holds a solid 4.4-star rating from over 570 reviews, indicating it has a good reputation. That said, some users did note that the tool can be tricky to use with very tight spaces or awkward angles. But honestly, if you're careful and take your time, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need to manage cage nuts in network racks. Skip this if you're looking for a general-purpose tool. For the price, it's a smart addition to your toolkit. Product number 4, Black Diamond Stopper Set. Next up is the Black Diamond Classic Stopper Set, priced at $144.95. This set really impressed me with its quality and design. If you're serious about trad climbing, this should be on your radar. This set includes sizes 413, covering a wide range of crack shapes, which is crucial for a secure climb. The color-coded system makes it easy to grab the right size quickly, which is a huge time saver when you're on the wall. With a 4.9-star rating from 94 reviews, it clearly meets the needs of experienced climbers. However, some climbers mention that the price is a bit steep compared to other brands. Here's the thing though, this set is built to last and provides reliable protection, which can justify the investment for safety enthusiasts. This is ideal for serious climbers who prioritize safety and reliability. Skip this if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. While it's pricier, the peace of mind it offers is worth it for many. Product number 5, Calhawk Nut Splitter Set. Finally, we have the Calhawk Nut Splitter Tools 2PC set retailing for $17.19. I found this to be an affordable option for those in need of a reliable nut splitter. If you're dealing with hex nuts and need something straightforward, keep listening. This two-piece set is designed to tackle tough nuts with ease. The construction is simple, yet effective for everyday tasks, making it a solid choice if you don't need anything too fancy. It weighs about 3.69 pounds, so it's not a burden to carry around. The 4-star rating from 160 reviews shows that it's generally well received. On the downside, some users reported that it doesn't work well on smaller nuts, which can limit its versatility. But honestly, if you're primarily focusing on standard-sized nuts, it's a dependable tool that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a basic nut splitter for casual repairs. Skip this if you frequently work with a variety of nut sizes. For the price, it's a solid value if you don't need advanced features. So there you have it. The Klein Tools Bolt Bag is great for durability, while the QWRK Nut Splitter Set is perfect for rusted nuts. The KW Mobile Cage Nut Tool makes installing cage nuts easy, and the Black Diamond Stopper Set offers top-notch safety for trad climbers. Finally, the Calhawk Nut Splitter provides an affordable option for everyday needs. Depending on your climbing style and specific needs, any of these could be a great addition to your gear.